Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
This week's economic calendar includes a range of significant data, from high-profile reports to moderate-impact updates. These releases are likely to influence trading strategies and contribute to market volatility. Market reactions to these updates may vary widely, so staying aware and adaptable is key. Positioning ahead of time can help navigate potential volatility effectively.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street closed lower, with signs of weakness in regional banks spooking investors already on edge over US-China trade tensions. Shares of Zions Bancorporation tumbled after the regional bank disclosed an unexpected loss on 2 loans in its California division. BlackRock has redesigned one of its money market funds to meet new US stablecoin rules. The $13.5 trillion asset manager said the revamped fund will help manage reserves for companies behind US dollar-pegged stablecoins, offering them a safe place to park customer funds. The US dollar notched a 3rd consecutive session of losses against major currencies, including the euro, yen, and Swiss franc, amid US-China tensions and as markets assess remarks from Federal Reserve officials.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.